Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Just make sure to like, comment, and subscribe before you continue to watch this video. But anywho, this is prom number 2. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, make sure to keep watching. So the first thing that I'm going to do is prime my lids, and I'm using the Born This Way Multi-Sculpt Concealer in the color Honey. And now without setting it, I'm actually going to go in with the James Charles palette. This color right here, this shade right here. And with a cut crease, you want to go above your natural crease line, because when you open your eye, it kind of smudges everything and then you don't end up seeing the cut. So I'm going to go a little bit above my eye. With my Morphe M518 brush, it's a nice fluffy brush. I'm going to use these two shades up here. I'm going to mix these two shades right here and use that as my transition color. Now I'm going to take my Morphe M562 brush. It's a small detail crease brush, and I'm going to go in with this dark shade right here. Go into the black just to deepen it up a little bit more and give it some more. Everything, because I do see a harsh line between here and here, so I'm just going to go in with a clean fluffy brush and just diffuse the two colors. Now I'm just going to take a Q-tip and some makeup remover, and I'm just going to clean up right on the lid, because I'm going to put concealer there and I don't want it to smudge the color. With the black and add back in as I mentioned. Final touches of this look is to use the Urban Decay Heavy Metal, and I'm just going to double line it. And I'll come back with the final look. So they have popped on the lashes and smoked out my bottom lash line. So I'm going in, well, right now I'm baking right now, so we're going to multitask because that's what she likes to do. And I'm going to be using the Bare Minerals Gen Nude blush in But First Coffee. It is a regular. I know if you guys have been watching my videos, I've been using it a lot lately. And I don't know, I just really like it. So, and I'm just going to use my little e.l.f. brush, and I'm just going to dust off the bake. I'm going to buff this out just a little, because I find that it's a little too harsh. So I don't know what highlighter I want to use. I think I'm going to keep it like bronzy and kind of rustic. And I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild highlighter. It's called Crown on My Canopy. And I think this is going to be perfect. It's going to look so nice. So I'm using my Ray Ray highlighter brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and highlight Yes, yes, yes. I'll be using the NYX lip liner in the color Natural, and then I'm gonna fill in with Dolce Vita from NARS. Using the e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist, my absolute favorite. After that, I just press in with my beauty blender. I know you guys saw that trick in my last video. If not, go ahead and check out that video. I posted it in the prom look #1. Alright.
So my camera died at the end of the video. Thank God it did not do that at the beginning. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.